Let's graph and find the properties of a circle centered at x equals 0 and y equals 9, with radius 14.
The center is the anchor point of the circle.
The center is at x equals 0, y equals 9.
The radius is the distance from the center to the circle. Step out by the radius, right, left, up, and down. These 4 points sit on the circle. A circle equation uses center shifts on the left, radius squared on the right.
The signs come from subtracting the center coordinates, x, and y minus 9.
The radius is 14, so the right side is 14 squared, which is 196. Now we derive the related properties from the radius. The diameter is 2 radii across, 2 times 14 equals 28. The circumference is 2 pi r, 2 times pi times 14 equals 28 pi.
The area is pi r squared, pi times 14 squared equals 196 pi.
So this circle is described by its center and radius.